What's up guys, welcome to Revline 89. So we're going to jump right into this. We're not going to waste your time because I know you guys want to get these installed. So how do you install your hood lift supports? Very simple. So the thin bar, this is going to be explained as simple as possible. The thin part of your lift is pointing down this way while the thicker part is pointing this way, so it's going to be on the top. You're going to mount your bracket right here. So this is going to be the bracket that has like a little ball sticking out to the left side or sticking out to the right side. You're going to use your two bolts right here. You're going to take off your stock bolts. You're going to place your bar in here. Put the bolts back through with the bar underneath. The bar is going to be the one that has a ball sticking out like that. Simply lift up your hood as high as you can. Pop both in place and you're good to go. It's that simple. It's a 5 to 10 minute job, probably 15 minutes if it's your first time. So no more using the center bar. Just like that. Show you guys lifting it up. Hood pops up just the same, but it's nice and easy. So it still goes down at this point, still goes down at that point, so about that point it will hold. And of course, easy to push up. And fun fact for you guys, the hood is actually higher with these than if you use the good old-fashioned bar. So these actually can push the hood up a little higher for more room to work under your hood. Alright guys, if this video has helped you out, please hit that like button. If you guys need help, please comment and I will help you. But again, let's run by. You put your bracket here that has a ball sticking out, just a little bracket. You put it here, you take this bolt out, put the bracket down in, put the bolt back through. Do not turn it too hard because you can snap the bolts on these. This bar, thin part is facing on the lower end, thicker part up top. You simply pop it in place on both ends and you're good to go. Same on the other side. Enjoy some exhaust. This is a 4.0 V6.